How to fix Twitter or X videos not playing on iPhone. Let's get started. Whether they won't load or keep buffering, it's frustrating when videos don't play as expected. In this quick guide, I will show you how to solve this issue. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Or also you can give a fresh restart to your router. With this, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, update the app to its latest version. For that, close this. Launch your App Store, then search for the app X. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Keeping the app up to date ensures you have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on the option iPhone Storage. From here, find the app X. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. With this, your problem might be resolved. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is reset network settings. For that, head back. Come to the General page and scroll down. Click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. With this, your problem might be fixed. Also, make sure you disable low data mode. If your iPhone is in low data mode, it can affect how videos play. For that, head back, go to the main page of settings. Then, head towards the option of Cellular. Click on Cellular Data Options. Click on Low Power Mode. Make sure you have disabled for this option. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. And that's how you fix Twitter or X videos not playing on your iPhone. With these quick fixes, you will be back to watching videos without interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.